What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the truth about getting rid of your PMI insurance. So you're either watching this video because you already own a home and you want to see how long it'll take you to get rid of your PMI, or you're in the market to purchase a home and don't have the 20% down to avoid it. In this video, I'll explain to you exactly what it takes to finally get rid of your PMI insurance. And in order to know how long it will take to get rid of your PMI, we first need to know what type of loan you have, if it's a single family or multi-unit property, and if it was originally purchased as a primary residence or an investment property. For those of you who have an FHA loan, your PMI will never go away. It's permanent if you put less than 10% down. If you put 10% down or more, it'll go away after 11 years. The rest of this video will cover those people who have a conventional loan and those differences in how to get rid of your PMI insurance. So most people out there think that your PMI goes away once you reach 20% equity based on your home's current market value. And that's a very common misconception. For a single family property, your PMI will go away once you reach a 78% loan to value based on the original purchase price, so not the current market value. And all of your mortgage payments have to be current and up to date to be eligible. On average, it takes about 7 to 8 years to get to the 78% loan to value based on your original purchase price. Now, you can request to have your loan servicer remove the PMI once you reach an 80% loan to value based on the current market value of the property, as long as it's been at least 5 years since you purchased the property, or after 2 years, as long as you could document there are substantial improvements made to the property. You would need to do an appraisal to establish the current market value, and you would typically need to be responsible for that expense. If you own a 2 to 4 unit property that you originally purchased as a primary residence, or a 1 to 4 unit property that you originally purchased as an investment property, we're first going to need to figure out if your home loan is owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac to figure out which guidelines your loan falls under. I'm going to include a link in the description of this video, which is where you can look up this information to see who owns your home loan. So if your home loan is owned by Fannie Mae, your PMI will automatically terminate once you're at the midpoint of your loan amortization period. So if you have a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, once you complete the 15th year of mortgage payments, your PMI will automatically go away. Now, you can request to have your PMI removed if you have a 70% loan to value based on the property's current market value as well. If your home loan is owned by Freddie Mac, your loan is not eligible for automatic PMI termination. You're going to need to wait until you reach a 65% loan to value based on the property's current market value in order to request to have your PMI removed. So now that you know the truth of what it really takes to get rid of your PMI, this can all sound pretty discouraging. But the good news is that you still have another option, and that would be to refinance. As long as you have 20% equity based on your property's current market value, you should be able to do a refinance and get rid of your PMI right away. Now, keep in mind that if you do want to refinance, you will have to qualify for this new mortgage based on your current income, credit, and assets. Also, when refinancing, there's typically closing costs involved. So you'll want to do a break-even analysis to make sure refinancing is the best move for you. So if you enjoyed this video and found this information valuable, all I ask is you do me a huge favor and smash the like button so that YouTube will push this video to other people looking for answers to eliminate their PMI. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment on the comment section below. I do read the comments and I do respond to them.